Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to edit videos like a pro using the Filmora. It's a beginner friendly and super powerful and perfect for YouTube, vlogs, or social media. Let's get started. First thing first, download and install the Filmora from their official website, and once installed, open the app and click on the new project. Now head over to the Media tab and click Import to bring the video clips, music, and images. You can either drag and drop them or browse through your files. And once your files are loaded, drag your main video clips into the timeline at the bottom. This is where all the editing happens. Then to trim your clips, hover over to the edge of the video on the timeline, then drag to shorten or extend. And for cutting, position the playhead where you want to split the clip, then hit the scissors icon. Then, to add a transition and effects, click on the Transition tab in the left sidebar and drag your favorite transitions between clips for smooth scene changes. And want to things spice up, go to the Effects tab and drag effects into your clip. And then, to add a text and titles, head over to the Titles tab. Choose the text template you like and drag it to your timeline and double click to edit the text and adjust the font, size, and color. And then here you can add also music and sound effects by clicking the audio tab in order to add a music. Then drag your chosen track into the audio track in timeline and you can adjust the volume and balance the audio's video. Then if you want to make your footage look cinematic, click on color above the preview window and use the available preset or adjust the brightness, contrast, and more. And once you're happy with your edits, click Export in the top right corner. Then you can choose your preferred resolution, format, and quality. Then hit Export again to save the final video. And there you have it, your very first video editing like a pro using Filmora. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more easy editing guides. Thanks for watching.